Gluten-free digestive biscuit with a beautiful aroma. You can use it for the people gluten-free or low carb, which is very tasty. We will do the tracks from scratch, and you have the most easy gluten-free biscuit with oatmeal flavor. If you have ready-made oatmeal flour, you can use 220 gram. If you don't have ready-made oatmeal flour, we bring 2-3 cup of oatmeal. We blend it in kitchen process, as you see, till becomes powder. So what we do, we strain all quantity. I need the small easy powder, so it will be left over some pieces. We bring it back to the kitchen process and we blend it again and again till to finish the whole quantity to be smooth powder, same like chiffon flour or oatmeal flour. It takes 10 minutes to repeat the process to finish the whole quantity. I prefer to make one bucket like 500 gram at a time, and then you can keep it in your drawer, so in case if you want to make any gluten-free bread, it will be easy to use. You can see I blend it all and again to have the whole quantity. So let's start the cookies. 220 gram oatmeal, 50 gram retail sugar, 1 egg, 80 gram butter, 3 gram baking powder, 2 gram salt. And we mix it. It's so easy recipe. The butter is room temperature. And you can see I added optional tahini paste or peanut butter paste. It's optional. It's give more flavor and aroma to the cookies. Now we keep it direct. We spread direct because it's soft. The volume as you the volume and the height of the dough should be 2 or 3 millimeter. When I roll the dough, I keep it in the fridge. First, I have to, with fork, make a lot of dots so it not jump up in the oven. If you have docker, will be much easier. If not, you use the fork. Then I keep it in the fridge at least 20 minutes before I cut. Why I keep it in the fridge? To have a stable dough, strong dough, so I have round shape cutter. So you can use it 10 minutes or 15 minutes in fridge or freezer before you cut round. Then what you do with the leftover? The leftover dough, you just mix it, you keep it back in the fridge like 10-15 minutes. Then you can roll it again and you cut the shape you like. 170 Celsius for 10 minutes, not for 8. 10 minutes, and you have the most beautiful gluten-free dessert or cookies. You can use it for gluten-free people or low carb. Thank you, guys.